Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Today is it is a Tuesday, so it is a new Happy Meal release from McDonald's. And McDonald's, their newest Happy Meal is Inside Out 2. Inside Out 2, the newest film from Pixar. So on the box here, they've got some of the original characters, joy and anger, sadness. There's a couple of new ones there, embarrassment and envy. I believe that's disgust. I think that's what her name is. It's been a while since I've seen Inside Out even. Flip this around this side. You have anxiety on top of the phone there. It shows you at the top here. Ooh, yeah, the different characters. So we have disgust. Yeah, I was right. Disgust, sadness, guards, Frank and Dave, and envy. On the other side, we got a picture of joy there. And so we have joy, fear, embarrassment, and embarrassment's here, and anger is over here. Sorry, I said. So yeah, and of course on this side, McDonald's, they cheaped out again. It's just a smiley face. So let's see what we got for our toy for yay! And we've got joy. Inside Out joy. Inside Out 2 joy. We've got some stickers here inside. We'll put this thing together here and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so we've got the stickers put on the toy. There's a couple, one on each side there. There's one that goes in the center. Even when you're done, there's a few leftover stickers there, so for the kiddos. And this is looks like it's a type of shoot 'em up game. It's a little game, so you put the little disc in here. Pull it back. Shoots it out. So you put the disc in here. Push it back. Yeah! Joy! So there we have it, the new Happy Meal toys, Inside Out 2 from McDonald's. McDonald's gave me joy this time. Yay! Well, this has been another adventure in TV Land. Thank you for watching. Till next time, that's a wrap.